Let's go to Hotel Los Gatos, a boutique hotel with a Mediterranean style in California. The location is south of San Jose on your way to Santa Cruz. You will see what the rooms look like and what the actual hotel looks like in this video. So cute. After we check in, we go to the car, grab our bags. They have a Tesla Supercharger there, which is really cool. And then from the parking garage, you can catch an elevator to your room.
It was a very inexpensive room.
I don't think they're expensive.
Yeah.
Oh, this is nice. Okay, let's go inside. There's a desk.
Okay.
This bathroom had a hairdryer, a magnified mirror, and then amenities like Q-tips, cotton balls, shampoo, conditioner, and lotion. Here's the closet with curtains. There's a safe inside, which is a nice amenity. 2 bathrobes that you can use while you're staying here at the hotel, along with the ironing board and iron. Here is the bar and a mini fridge. Is $25. The charger is $15. There's an umbrella for $27. It's a lot of monies. They don't give you water. Here's some markers, Patron Gin.
What is the place called?
1 Broadway.
Navigate to 1.
Surprise birthday party. What? 12-minute walk. I unpacked my makeup bag and now I have to get ready for my friend's surprise birthday party. This fan was a little loud, so all we did was turn it off. We booked a Deluxe King room with the balcony view. This is perfect for 2 people, and my favorite part of this whole room is the balcony with the view. I just want a coffee. I want some wine. I just want to sit down. It's very serene out here. We walked to downtown Los Gatos, which was about a 10-minute walk. There was a ton of little boutique shops. There was also a lot of outdoor dining restaurants, and then this cute little wine bar that you can bring your own bottle of wine and there's no corkage fee. We headed over to Number One Broadway, which is a place for locals for a surprise birthday party. And I'm telling you, my friend Anna was so surprised.
We're just regular patrons having a good time. We don't know each other, as if the bar was just regularly open.
Good morning. This hotel has a fitness center, a pool, an outdoor jacuzzi that we did not use. It's a few miles away from Testarossa Winery. There's not too many hotels in Los Gatos, so I would stay here again. Thanks so much for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel while you're here, and I'll see you in the next video.